So how pick up when I get into town to make it feel.
Be around to ride with Miss Camaraderie. It's like to see a sound. What up, what is you with rock while let me hit you. Ayo, hound.
Good morning. How you doing? Why good morning? Wait, where are you going? I'm late. Alrighty, class, remove all of your belongings from your desk. It's quiz time. Yeah, no.
Wait, young man, where are you going? No. Hey, young man, come here right now!
I don't understand. Hey man, can you tell me the time real quick? It's 12 p.m. Thank you. PM? Oh my god, this is the cutest dog ever. Where did you get him? Yeah, you know, we actually found him on the street, you know, he was a stray dog. Oh, and did I ever tell you his name? His name's BUNGOU. Jesus Christ. Hey man, you hungry? Dude, I'm starving. Let's go get a bite to eat then. You said it. What are you craving? You know, I could really go for some sushi. Sushi? What a lovely day. Hey look, a van full of kids.
Merry Christmas, isn't it? I am British Oxygower. Happy Christmas. Come on, isn't it? I hope you all have a nice, happy holiday. Come on!
Hey, Moskau, deine Seele ist so groß, nachts da ist der Teufel los. Ha, 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 ha. Hey, Moskau, Liebe schmeckt wie Kaviar, Mädchen sind zum Küssen da. Ho, 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 ho. Hey, Moskau.
You say you want a good time, but here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, tell me what's on your mind.
Grab that mop. I got something, bitch.
Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better.
I say, hey guys, it's Drake here. Want free V-Bucks? Give me your credit card information and your street address and your social security number and the security code on the back of the card. Also, what are your parents?
Goodbye. But when will I see you again?
Oh, never.
Never?
Well, Maybe someday.
When? Tomorrow?
Oh no!
Girl, I'm finna rock your face.
You need to get
festive.
Gaza right now. Tell everyone at the agency that
It's Christmas time.
There goes my bitch. You know that I be checking you out. You be putting your heels on. You don't know how. I swear your body's so perfect. Feels so how you work it, my girl.
Wow, I haven't stubbed my toe in 5 months, I said with joys. I was then shot 57 times.
It's really cool that you're 25. You drink, do drugs, smoke cigarettes. You're old enough to drive. You pick money talks, dirty cash. I want you, dirty cash. I need you all.
My homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta. Smoking on the table, liquor pond, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get ahead. Saying I'm with the band.
'Cause I'll be switching up positions for you. Kitchen and I'm in the bedroom. I don't need a lick, they say I'm pumping through holes. I'm a loving thing, that nothing I wouldn't do, that I won't do. Switching for you.
Remember, I'll be the one you won't forget.
Bottles of bubbles, girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things.
This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Dala tu cuerpo a la estrella Macarena, que tu cuerpo va a dar la alegría, cosa buena. Dala tu cuerpo a la estrella Macarena. Hey, Macarena.
When I dance, they call me.
Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
There's something weird, and it don't look good. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters!
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better.
Kaboom! There goes your tower. Watch it crumble, feel the power. Harry Tinkle's in the game, no escape. Time to face your fate. There's no debate.
Mommy, a girl behind you.
All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the Cali girls. All the girls are Cali. Act like an angel, just like crazy. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the Cali girls. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the girls are Cali, Cali. All the Cali girls.
Want me to guess what her final words were? I have an idea. I'm sorry. Correct.
Are you gonna be a candidate for the job as well, Chuya?
We're picking someone who has a similar vertical profile.
Just say taller, man.
I wouldn't say I like him. I just come home, record every episode, and then watch them over and over and over and over and over again. It's not like I think he's cool or anything. Huh? It's not moving at all.
The buttons don't seem to be working either.
Is it broken?
Haha! Well played, Chuya.
Excuse me? Well, then it looks like there's more of me to you right now, doesn't it? Let's go, Dazai. I feel as light as a butterfly.
I'll take your word for it.
Come on! You don't think I'm cool after all that? I'm amazing!
Is that you, Chuya?
Hey, don't talk to me like you know me, punk!
I think it's time you all scurried on home now.
Airs, you twit! You'll regret this garbage when I get bigger! Help wanted. 10 newborn retrievers looking for homes. Call this number for details. Adopting puppies, huh? If I had the means to do it, I would take 9 of them in right away. 10 might be one too many, though. Why do we have to be right next to that group of all people?
But it's actually more common for the floor to give out so that people fall through.
Cool pose. Don't think I moved myself to the ceiling just because of what you told me, okay? I guess I'll come along.
Glad to hear it. Just don't forget to take your shower cap with you.
Huh? Shower cap?
There. All set. Looks great on you.
The hell? I hate this!
When she walks, she's like a samba that swings so cool and sways so. You were the shadow to my light.
Ranking Bungo should all characters, but I'm literally Fyodor. Let's begin. Juno, you work for my boss, so number 6, why not? Oh my god, such a handsome person on the screen right now. A little bit anemic, but it's okay. Number 1. I don't really know you. Number 8. Rambo. You are very smart, but you could never beat me, so you're low-key a loser for that. But number 5, you are very annoying. Katai, I thought I killed you. You are a very good hacker, so number 7. The agency's leader. I kinda feel bad for you because you and your best friend are killing each other because of me. So number 4, out of pity. God, I fucking hate you. I am not your best friend. I want to kill you so bad. Number 10. I don't know you that well. Ex-boss, I played you like a book. Sorry. Number 2. Loser. Number 3, why not?
The reason they did it! We have to get these criminals to fess up and then bring it to the public! I mean, isn't that the whole reason we became journalists in the first place?
My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, now I found the real love. You'll never fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. Money talks, dirty cash, I want you, dirty cash, I need you all.
Those two have an acute fear of heights, so they decided to stay behind. They should just die.
Aisha, 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 Aisha,
They tell me, girl, you the best, but I already know what I am. Yeah, they know I only wanna come over, put it on them. I got that whoa, na na na. He drink that shit like water. I got that supernova.
At least I have my cigarettes, but I don't have a lighter. I hope no bitches steal my look, cause I'ma have to fight her. I tried to call Aisha, but her phone is fucking dead. Oh, whatever, I'll try again later. I'll call this twink instead.
Money talks, dirty cash, I want you, dirty cash, I need you all.
Pony. Boy.
So easy. He's the Atsushi type for sure.
Gotta tell me, I lost my bitch, man, she kinda felt me, feel me. Time for my body, baby, come and smell me, Good Subi jeans, so I just Louis Bell me.
A friend who I can surprise from time to time and who's amused at the funny things that I do.
Don't touch me! Thanks a lot. Stop dicking around for once! While we're in here dancing, Fyodor's getting closer to the exit! You might as well go on a tour to see hell!
Applause for my assistant. Golf clap, please.
Who are you calling assistant? Shouldn't you tell them what's going on and why we just freed them? These two. I bet each one is gleefully picturing the other drowning to death.
Now, I'll top it off with some good news. All right, assistant, bring me the thing.
I'm not your assistant.
I imprint your next move into your subconscious with subtle little gestures that you're not aware of, but they work.
Thank goodness you never decided to gamble at the casino. Did he just manage to stumble into that particular room by accident? Okay, stay calm.
Watch it getting bigger and bigger now. Watch it explode on your bed.
Baby, put on heart-shaped sunglasses, 'cause we're gonna take a ride. I'm not gonna listen to what the past says. I've been waiting up all night.
So, this heat is getting to me. I want you all over me. Baby, you get me so.
It took Rompo a whole 5 seconds to figure it out.
You, I'm a brat when I'm bumping that. No, I wanna hit my track, are you bumping that? Till the windows crack, I'll be bumping that. No, I'll never go home, don't sleep, don't eat, just do it on repeat, keep. When I'm in the club, yeah, I'm 3, 6, 5 pack girl. Should we do a little pee, should we have a little line on Imperial while when I'm...
Baby girl, I'm finna rock your shit.
It's getting sticky in this bitch.
You're quite the blabbermouth today, aren't you? I don't recall introducing myself as a mute.
Tell me something good, baby. Tell me something good, shout it. Come and bring it to the hood, baby. Bring it back to the hood, shout it. This what Saga feel like in the nighttime. Bust it up and shorty when the light shine.
I'm really excited for the new movie, I exclaimed with excitement. Little did I know, it would be a feature, a creature feature, featuring the creature.
Money talks, dirty cash, I want you, dirty cash, I need you all.
I'm rolling in my NSX, thinking I'ma get some Gucci. Met her at the mini mart, she was in an escort. I'm kinda thinking about contact sports. When we get back to the mix house, I'm knocking that kitty cat out. Your silence is my trade. Shut up. Lockjaw. Giving MCs lockjaw.
Watch it getting bigger and bigger now. Watch it explode on your bed.
Get feeling this drug with a run, step bump, hit a funk, get a jump, get the dust. Bitch just get dug and straight buzz and loving your people, cause we so real, chill.
Money talks, dirty cash, I want you, dirty cash, I need you all.
Batches out there be on the lookout for Captain Saber how, cause he's saving how. Should I save how? I wanna be saved.
You fucked up, Detective Agency! I'm here to save your asses on the boss's orders.
That's why we broke up in the first place. Cause I want you to know that I'm ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat.
As if, bro.
Oh, my tummy!
Call me Diablo.
Grow some wereballs.
Holy shit!
Going to touch you.
Go ahead and touch me.
I brought a beautiful Asian pear.
Beautiful Asian pear of what?
The fog hasn't lifted from this area.
Something's about to lift from this area if you keep pushing his head down like that. When you guys said I'd end up shipping these two, you didn't tell me Chuya literally blows Dazai.
I could escape out of here at any point if I wanted to.
Alright, then do it, pussy. Well, maybe I will. Go on, let's see it. Well, I'm gonna do it. Can I have the keys?
You arrived just in time, just as I...
Oh, predict this, bitch! Does Fyodor own this apartment building? He's always up there, waiting for the landlord to run out and shoo him away with a rolled-up newspaper like he's a fucking pigeon.
Because it's my fault.
No, I mean the bear costume. Why don't you just sign up for visitation? Gotta give those Tumblr artists something if we want a season 5. Huh? Oh, speaking of Tumblr, here comes our favorite pairing.
Yes, I am a nerd, bookworm. I'm studious. From my cerebral cortex to my gluteus. Back in kindergarten, I aced my college entrance exam. Now, I'm no rocket scientist, but wait, I am.
That's my dad! Yeah, daddy, yeah, I like it like that. I'm hitting more positions than Ray J had. I'm riding on your dick till your dick get a flat. I'm about to lay your ass down like a fucking doormat. Peanut butter jelly all That's my dad! Yeah, daddy, yeah, I like it like that. I'm hitting more positions than Ray J had. I'm riding on your dick till your dick get a flat. I'm about to lay your ass down like a fucking doormat. Peanut butter jelly. Listen to what I might expect. A list of possible side effects. Too crowded and hypotheticals. To balance atop a pedestal. Too valuable for the quiet set. It's possible it's a side effect. And not a